Hey everybody, Rick Bourne, Scottsdale Urban Farms in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is video 2. This is one of our cages that we had right there. You can see the front end of the orchard. Now let's go back and see where this came from. See that tree all the way in the back? It's a peach tree. There's another cage right through there that you can see, okay? That tree is missing its cage. And let's come back through. So you can see how close it came to the vehicle. This is the hot mess that happened on this side of this shed. And well, we're work in progress. I get that. There's a lot to do around here. But what gets me is the aerodynamics in which this cage, you can see, I got pretty big hands. You can see the size of these squares. You know, how does this travel all the way from there to here? And I'm scratching my head, people. I need an engineer. I need a physicist or somebody to explain to me or walk me through in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on how this cage got here. No, you can. I posted an earlier video about the destruction in phase 1 and what happened over there. 2x4s completely ripped out that were screwed in, and I'm just baffled. And I don't know if it was a microburst, but we haven't had a windstorm come through here like this in a very, very long time. Hey, this is Rick with Scottsdale Urban Farms in Scottsdale, Arizona, assessing the damage in 85254. Take care, everybody. Have yourself a great day.